What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm December DeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Man, salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So I gotta say congratulations to the SHIB Army. Right now, as you can see, congratulations on SHIB token becoming the biggest token held by top Ethereum whales. Just yesterday, a major whale has bought 163 billion SHIB for approximately trillion, for 1.7 million USD, causing a trading volume spike. So what does this mean for us as holders? What does this mean for, Shiba Inu as a token? This is an opportunity for you to follow smart money and not let your money become this. So if we take a look, and if you just do a quick Google search, you'll see that Ethereum whales are holding over $1 billion in Shiba Inu. They're expecting at least to double their money on that. So we know at least another $1 billion of investments are coming into Shiba Inu. You want your money to come in before that wave of the second wave of money tries to follow that smart money. So right now you should be taking advantage of these prices. This is not financial advice, but you should be buying on the red days, taking advantage of those discounts. That way, once that major FOMO kicks in, you're already in and you're not trying to chase candles. Now, it can be a little scary sometimes to buy into the dip when you see the price on the charts all in the negatives, everything red, but you have to think of it like this. It's an asset, so it will eventually, appreciate, but you have to understand that it can dip. Don't risk more than you're willing to lose. Don't think it's gonna happen overnight. Dollar cost average, only put a certain amount in each time. If you, let's say for instance, if you want to invest $1,000 into a cryptocurrency, you shouldn't be dropping the entire $1,000 in there at once. You should be putting maybe, start your position with 200, 250 or something like that, and then weekly or monthly, buy more. Or if you see a reason in the chart telling you to buy more, then you can load up, which is a discount. I like to look at discounts above 10%, and if it hits around 15%, if it's one of my favorite assets, then I'll throw a little bit more at it. I'm not going to do anything crazy, but I'll just take advantage of those red days. So let's take a look at Shiba Inu on the chart. We did an excellent call with Bone. Actually, before we take a look at SHIB, we're going to look at Bone real quick. So if you follow the streams that we're doing, as you can see, Bone hit 53 cents. Right now it's down to 52.8, up 14% on the day, about to go right back to 53 cents. So we called this out. I told y'all to, tap in and check out Bone because of Shibarium's release. We can expect the FOMO to kick in, a lot of people to start purchasing Bone. And, I encourage y'all to take profits. Like today, investors got a 14% return. You should be in a bear market, you should be taking profits because traders will make more over the short period. Now, don't get me wrong. If your strategy is long term, then that is different. Then you can continue to just, accumulate your assets for a cheaper price and hold them for your, your whatever your horizon is. But for those that are speculators, if you're not a long-term investor, there's speculators, traders, or investors. An investor and a trader has two different, methods. They're trying to do two different goals. An investor wants to hold for a longer period. A trader just wants to make some money. For those of y'all that are trading, this 14%, you can scrape that, wait for a pullback, and then, try to buy in to accumulate a bigger bag, or, you can do whatever you want to do. But now let's take a look at Shiba Inu, which is up 6.5% on the day. We are at that 1097 level. We just tapped that 11 level for a brief moment right there, showing that, buyers are stepping in. As you can see, we just hit it again. So buyers are stepping in right now. So, I'm watching the chart, just looking at the areas where people will decide to take profit at, which it looks like possibly around right before we tap that 12 level. Right before we tap that 12 level. Now, if we get a breakout past the 12 level, it's looking like we can go possibly to retest that about 1434 level. So let me show y'all what we're taking a look at here. So notice we're here. So we're here with enough bullish momentum. We can break this area here and then eventually come up to test this area at the 1430s, right around this resistance level here. So if we see some nice bullish momentum kick in, we might, test up there and then start to trade back down as people take profits. Because remember, a lot of people are stuck in a hole right now. So they're looking to take profits off the table as soon as possible. We also see a lot of large Ethereum whales buying millions of dollars worth of SHIB, but they are also selling it as well. So everyone isn't just diamond handed. So I just want to update y'all on that and let y'all know what's going on. Appreciate everybody for pulling up. Check the links in the description section. I got some free resources down there for y'all, stocks, crypto, for those of y'all just getting started out. Also, my book is on Amazon. Y'all can check that out as well. If you're interested in getting any of the courses, I got my stock options trading course, technical analysis course, as well as my crypto 101 course. Reach out to me to cop that. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.